Welcome back to Traveling con Arlene. Please join me as we explore our first port of call on this Mexican Riviera cruise on Norwegian's Joy. Adrian, do you want to know what's interesting about this port? We're going to have to take a tender.
But first, let's go to eat breakfast.
Here we are at the Garden Cafe on deck 15. Per my hubby's request, we came up to the buffet for today's breakfast. Everything was delicious, from the make-to-order omelet to the absolutely scrumptious, extra thick French toast. And now we're just waiting on some coffee and juice. It is 8:30 and the buffet is not too crowded. We're supposed to arrive at 11 at Cabo San Lucas. Let's take a quick look around the buffet. There are different stations offering a variety of selection of foods, but you'll find that the left and right hand side of the buffet offer the same selection. Look at these Christmas decorations. I enjoyed this about our first Christmas cruise. I thought they were very creative. We have arrived at Cabo San Lucas, and I absolutely love being able to look out or step out onto our own private balcony and checking out what's going on. This is especially good when traveling with family because it provides the view while waiting for everyone else to get ready. This is the tender boat I mentioned earlier. Over there in the background, you can see how they approach the cruise. And here we are on our way to explore Cabo San Lucas. Just look at this. What an awesome way to be greeted. I really do love seals. This was one of many small Christmas miracles along our journey. We hadn't booked any cruise excursion here at Cabo. I'd heard that it was really easy and safe to do an independent tour, so that is precisely what we did. I highly recommend city tours. Jesus, our guide, was extremely knowledgeable. Not only did he accommodate our request to visit a different town, but he also provided information about the history as we went along and gave us excellent suggestions. I'll leave his information in the description box so you can reach out and make reservations directly through him if you're interested. He took us into this glass blowing factory, which was an amazing experience. The fact that this was a private tour made the experience that more special. He explained that the nearby restaurants trade their glass bottles and in return request glassware such as margarita glasses for their businesses. This was such an exciting and amazing experience, one that I can check off my bucket list. And let us know in the comments, what do you think this will turn out to be? What glass figure do you think will come out of this glob? These men are just so talented to have been able to complete this absolutely adorable elephant in such a short period of time. It was truly a unique experience. Jesus insisted that I have a special glass blowing participation for YouTube. If you want to know how I did, make sure to watch until the end. Also, please support my channel by subscribing and hitting that like button. And now we've arrived at Todos Santos, the place we requested to visit. Jesus showed us around and brought us to all these Instagrammable spots. He even brought us to the original Hotel California. I've already checked out Jesus's Instagram and plan to make reservations through him the next time I visit the Mexican Riviera. This place was just completely full of charm. And in today's video, you are going to be getting a twofer. Well, it happens to be that we were on this sailing to celebrate Christmas. I have to admit that Christmas with the Cranks has always been one of my favorite movies, but I've always wondered, what if they would have gotten on that cruise ship? What would the celebration be like? So today, I'm going to show you exactly what the experience is like. I'm now back in my cabin after a pleasant day in Cabo San Lucas, and as you can probably guess, we had an amazing time in Todos Santos. Tonight is Christmas Eve, so we're getting ready to celebrate. We're gonna take you along with us and give you a taste of what it was like to celebrate Christmas on a cruise. We are at one of the main dining rooms here on the Norwegian Joy. Unlike other cruise lines, there are no set dining times or dining rooms on Norwegian. Norwegian cruises are known for their freestyle dining, which means that guests are free to choose any of their 3 public dining rooms. There's Savor, Taste, or the Manhattan Room, which all serve the same menu. So just stop by during dining hours. Here's a quick look at our Christmas Eve dinner. You're gonna find something in the menu that you are going to like, and just remember that you can order more than one appetizer. You can try different entrees, and just make sure that you have a good time.
Joy around the ship. As you know, we are the most joyful ship in the fleet, so we're going to spread it right here, right now, and we're going to do some holiday caroling. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glowed. Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, prospero año de felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart.
Hola, Arturo desde Perú. Les deseo una feliz Navidad y próspero año nuevo. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Greetings from Sweden. God jul och gott nytt år.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from Thailand. สวัสดีค่ะ
The stars are brightly shining. It is the night of dear Savior's birth.
That's a wrap for our first port of call on the Norwegian Joy, here celebrating Christmas on a cruise. I hope you have enjoyed it. Please share your comments and let us know which was your favorite part. Would you consider celebrating Christmas on a cruise? But wait, let's see how my glass blowing experience turned out. I'll be posting more videos on other ports of calls and sharing the whole Christmas experience on a cruise. So make sure that you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you real soon. Bye-bye.